Hello students, welcome you all. Okay, let's start your GSC class. So in the previous class we have discussed your second chapter, that is human body. There we have discussed what is cell, tissue system, organ system, internal organs and external organs. Today we will discuss two internal organs and their structure, function. So let's start. This is the internal structure of the human body. You can see the brain, lungs, liver, kidneys, large intestine, small intestine, stomach and heart. So these are the organs which you cannot see from outside. Means all these internal organs are present under the skin, which is not visible outside by the naked eye. So first we'll start from heart. Human heart is a muscular organ about the size of a closed fist. So what is a heart? Heart is a muscular organ. Muscular organ means it can contract and relax. It's like a muscle only. It's like a closed fist. Closed fist means what? This is a closed fist. The size of your closed fist is the size of your heart. So it varies from person to person slightly according to their closed fist. So you can see this is your heart. Then we will read where your heart is located. So your heart is located in the chest cavity slightly towards the left and is protected by the rib cage. So you can see this white color structure is called your rib cage, which is a bone, and behind the rib cage your lungs are there. Two lungs you can see, that is your pink color. Then behind the lungs left side your heart will be there. So you can see how your heart is securely protected by the rib cage. Then we will read about the function of heart. Function means what the work is carried by the heart. So it supplies oxygen, nutrients to the tissue and removes carbon dioxide and other waste. So it supplies oxygen to all the parts of your body. And it supplies nutrients to the tissues also. Nutrients means what? From the food you are getting, after the digestions you are getting the nutrients. That nutrients is supplied by the heart to all the organs. And it also removes the carbon dioxide and other waste. So when you are inhaling, you are taking the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. This exhaling is occurred by the heart through the nose. Okay, so we have completed your heart. So you have to remember three things about the heart. One is the structure, another one is the location, and third one is the function. Then we will read about your brain. Brain is the main controlling unit of the body. So remember, brain is the main controlling of your body. Why? Because your brain only, it helps to think and send messages to different parts of the body. Whatever you are doing, any work like singing, dancing, running, walking, eating, sleeping, all this work are instructed by the brain only. If brain is not working properly, then the other works also will not perform properly, and that person will be called as a mental, you can say, or their brain condition is not good, means the function of your brain is not working properly. Okay, so it is located in the head under the skull. Okay, skull also it is a bone which protect the brain, and it is a very hard structure, and your brain is the very delicate and soft organ. So three things about brain we learned, that is, brain is the main controlling unit of the body. Then the function of the brain. What is the function? It helps to think and send messages to different parts of the body and tell them what to do. This is the function of the brain. Means whatever you are doing, any work, even if you are thinking something also, all this will be work carried by the brain, performed by the brain. Then the structure of brain, it is very delicate and protected by the skull. This is the structure of a brain. If the question came what is the structure of brain, the answer will be, it is a very soft and delicate organ and protected by the skull. Okay, so today we read only about the brain and heart. So we have completed today only 2 internal organs. Later on we will read the remaining internal organs. Okay, thank you.